Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes jointly, step by step. First, understand that filing jointly means you and your spouse combine all your income and deductions onto a single tax return. To qualify, you must be legally married by the final day of the tax year. This filing status often offers significant advantages, such as a higher standard deduction, which can be more than double that of filing separately, potentially lowering your overall tax liability. Next, gathering all your necessary documents is a crucial step for a smooth filing process. You will need W-2 forms from every employer for both you and your spouse, along with any Form 1099 statements for other income like interest or dividends. Don't forget your Social Security numbers and those of any dependents. Also, compile all records for potential deductions and credits, such as mortgage interest statements or student loan interest paid. Now, let's move on to completing the actual tax form. When using tax software or a paper form, make sure to clearly select the married filing jointly status. You will then combine all income earned by both you and your spouse, reporting it together. Similarly, add up all eligible deductions and credits for both individuals to ensure you receive every benefit you qualify for. Remember, both spouses must sign the completed return. Finally, it's time to review and submit your joint tax return. Carefully go over every section to check for any errors or missing information. Double-check all Social Security numbers, income figures, and deduction amounts to ensure accuracy. You can choose to e-file for quicker processing and confirmation, or mail a paper return. Always remember to keep copies of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years for your records.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.